Good day, Miss Lenlen.
Good day, ma'am.
Can you please introduce yourself?
My name is Linin Panagi, 31 years old, single, no kids.
Where do you live?
New Isabela, Tacarong City.
How many siblings do you have?
I have 3 brothers and I am the second child of the family.
What is your educational attainment?
I'm not finished my college because of the lack of the financial.
Okay, and how would you describe yourself?
I am honest, thoughtful, obedient, and hardworking person. And
What?
God-fearing.
Okay, and why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
Because I want to support my family financially and to save money for my future.
Okay, and who will take care of your kids when you go abroad?
I have no kids now.
Okay, please tell me about your working experience.
I have working experience in Saudi in year 2019 to 2025 to a married couple. And my job duties to taking care of kids and to cooking, marketing, and washing the clothes, ironing, and clean the house.
Okay, did you finish all your contracts?
Yes, ma'am. I finished my contract for 6 years.
Okay, for only one employer?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, are you willing to get up early in the morning and sleep late at night?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you willing to take care of a healthy elderly person?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you willing to take care of a children in newborn babies?
Yes, ma'am.
What will you do if the baby is crying?
I will check the baby diaper is dirty and I will change it. I will check the baby is hungry. I will feed the baby. And also I will check the temperature of the baby is sick. And I will inform my employers immediately.
Okay, and what will you do if the children are naughty and not listening to you?
I will encourage the baby to play or sing a song for them.
Okay, and what will you do if you feel homesick?
I will send financially to my family.
Okay, and if you have family problem, would you go home or just send financial support?
I will send the financial support.
Okay, are you willing to share room with the children, elderly, or other helpers?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you willing to work during your rest and employer will pay us overtime?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you willing, do you promise not to use your cell phone during your working hours?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you promise not to loan from any bank in Hong Kong?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you sing a nursery song?
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, N, V, W, X, Y, and Z.
Okay, do you know how to swim?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you smoke and drink alcohol beverage?
No, ma'am.
Are you scared of dogs and cats?
No, ma'am.
Do you have your own dogs and cats in your home?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, do you have any tattoo?
No, ma'am.
Do you have food allergy?
No, ma'am.
Do you need to wear glasses while working?
No.
Are you willing to cut your hair short?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have any surgical operation or any serious sickness before?
No, ma'am.
Are you under any special medication right now?
No, ma'am.
Do you promise to finish your contract?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, please give a short message for your future employer to hire you.
Hi, ma'am and sir. Please choose me to be your housemaid, and I very much willing to work in your family. And please to choose me, and I hope to see you soon in Hong Kong. God bless you.